World premiere for the new VW T-Roc with a fresh design, innovative assist systems, and numerous digital services. Volkswagen is continuing the success story of its compact crossover model. A sharpened exterior defines the unmistakable appearance of the new T-Roc, T-Roc R, and T-Roc Cabriolet. The interior was refined with a high-quality materials, a redesigned infotainment display, and the digital cockpit as standard. Innovative technology from higher vehicle classes has now been integrated into the compact SUV model family in the shape of IQ.Light with LED matrix headlights and the assist systems of IQ.Drive with travel assist as well as predictive ACC cruise control. In this way, Volkswagen is making great strides towards becoming a software-oriented mobility provider as part of its Accelerate strategy. Underneath the hood, you'll find the usual suspects for the T-Roc line. The lineup kicks off with a 3-cylinder 1.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine delivering 110 horsepower to the front axle. The larger 4-cylinder 1.5-liter TSI ups the power to 150 horsepower while retaining the front-wheel drive layout. Upgrade to the 2.0-liter TSI rated at 190 horsepower and you'll get 4Motion as standard. VW still believes there's a market big enough for diesels to offer a pair of 2.0-liter TDIs, one with 115 horsepower and the other with 150 horsepower. The former is strictly a front-wheel drive affair, while the other comes optionally with an all-wheel drive system. Depending on your selection, the T-Roc is available with either a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Sitting at the top of the range is once again the T-Roc R with its mighty 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque for a 0 to 62 mile/hour sprint in 4.9 seconds. Flat out, the Sporty crossover with its quad exhaust system will hit an electronically governed 155 miles/hour.